Hello, I hope you're well. Today we're going to be making anti-inflammatory tea from whole spices. It's super easy, so let's get started. The spices that we'll be needing today are ginger, fennel seed, coriander seed, cloves, black cardamom, and a bit of cinnamon. For the ginger, there's no exact amount. I'd suggest about 3 to 5 grams. The best thing about ginger is it's a magician for the digestion. It helps move things along and it has lots of anti-inflammatory compounds such as gingerol. Then we move on to black cardamom. These are amazing for gut inflammation, respiratory inflammation, and are also very warming like ginger. You're only going to want 2 pods for this as they're quite potent. And then we move on to the pile here. So you're going to want 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and then you want to use up to about 12 cloves. These can be quite potent natural antimicrobials, so just don't go too overboard with them. But because we're making a big batch, this is fine. These are all great for calming the gut and supporting digestion. Finally, we're going to want about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It's great if you can get your hands on some organic Ceylon cinnamon powder, as this is a lot better for you. Cinnamon is great for improving insulin sensitivity. It's also anti-inflammatory, and again, it is gut friendly. So once you have everything in a pan, you're going to want to add your boiling water, and you're going to want to bring the pan to the boil on the hob. Once you then have that boiling, leave it to simmer for about 20 minutes, but you can leave it for longer if you'd like a stronger tea. Then you're going to want to strain your tea. I'm pretty sure I spilled it everywhere, so that's why I cut that so quickly. And there you have it. It's really that simple. You have a nice hot anti-inflammatory tea that is perfect for if your digestion is just feeling a little off. You have some for this evening, and then you have some that will last you the next few days. I like to have this tea if I've eaten really heavily or if I just have felt a little off. Add a little honey if you like things sweeter, and please like and subscribe. I can't wait to share more recipes with you. Bye bye!